Now 4 days. Tell me honestly, have you some plan?
Yes, sir.
No problem. See, my goal is not to embarrass you. My goal is not to tell that. That's none of my business. Who am I to do that? But what I'm trying to tell you is this. This motivation lasts only for a few hours. After that, this motivation cannot help you. What can help you actually is your dreams. I'll tell you and urge you all to do one thing for sure. This part you don't have to consider applying. After that, whatever I'm telling you, if you change anything, consider applying. Write down your dreams. And most of the time, I tell you what is the challenge. You write dreams which you also don't believe. Don't do that. Write down some basic, simple dream about yourself, what you want to achieve in your life. Basics. A dream which you can believe and which will stretch you. Many times what happens, you are in just a house struggling with a 1 BHK, 4 people, and suddenly start thinking, I'll have a bungalow. Your brain is not believing it. I'm not telling you don't have a dream. You should have a dream actually, but you don't believe it. And that's just what motivation is not coming. Find out something. Or else I was listening to Sugit CD just 3 days back, and Kajal was telling one thing. And if you don't know what is your dream, how many of you know at least 5 things which you don't like at all? Can you raise 5 things you don't like at all? Can you write down that at least? I think that will give you enough motivation to do something. 5 things which you do not like, write down them and make it as a dream to kill these things so that you can do something which you don't have to do these 5 things. I think this is a good motivation for you. Can you do this? In our experience, we have found whenever we tell this, 99% people don't do it. Will you do it today?
Yes.
Can you prove me wrong? That we will write down dream today. Can you prove me wrong? It's my challenge. You cannot prove it wrong. But if you prove me wrong, I'll be more happy. Go and write down your dreams today. 5 things which you do not like in your life and you don't want to do them after 2 years. Do it. I'll tell you what is the magic. And you do one thing. Once you do that, stick that right where you sleep so that the moment you wake up, it should show you. And whatever you don't like, write down out of this, whole arrow out of it. Platinum SIP can take you out of these 5 things. If you go a decent platinum with 6 working legs, your income will be close to 75,000 rupees, which is good enough to not do these 5 things you don't like. So can you summarize what I told? What I told, write down. Come, what I told. Yes, what I told? 5 things you don't like, write it down and stick it, put an arrow to it. Those 5 things, I can come out of this trap by going platinum with 6 working legs. That will be income of 75,000. If you tell me this, those 5 things, if you have 75,000 rupees, do you need to do those 5 things anymore? You don't have to. And to go platinum, I'll tell you, honestly, it's not more than a 1-year task. Those who are taking beyond that task is the only thing is they have not started working on it. Actually, it's 1 to 1.5 year task. It doesn't take any rocket science beyond that. We are not doing anything complicated anyways. We are just talking to people. Some are interested, some are not. How does it matter? So that will be what our topic will be today. So how to bring people on board properly with the right mindset. I think the crowd is very serious. Do you like songs by any chance? Do you like songs? Sekhar actually scared me last time. He said I'll be slapping people. I said, what the heck? Let's start the song today. Because people are serious. I'm seeing people are already mentally prepared that something magical will happen. Nothing magical will happen. Trust me. I am going to wrap you up the same thing which Kashyap taught last open meeting. I'm going to talk exactly the same thing. The only wrapper will be different. Nothing else. Same 100 CDs. Same 5 books. In fact, I brought those books also. Kashyap not brought it, I have brought it. So I have brought it also to show you. I'm going to talk same. So get relaxed. No new thing will come. So, but are you married? How many? Can you raise your hand? Married? More than 5 years you are married. More than 5 years. I'll tell you. How many of you had love marriage? Love marriage? Okay, take it out. Alright. Do you remember that was time when a dating period was so romantic, it was so nice, we used to listen to romantic songs, and then after 5 years that romance has vanished. Either you have kids to handle, or you have life to handle, your wife has Infosys to handle, you have HP to handle, the love has vanished. And if you want to bring that love back, this is the only business. And I was just singing a very romantic song when I came here. That song was from, I don't remember the movie, it was Anil Kapoor and Madhuri Dixit, amazing song. So I was recalling my marriage. It's now almost like 8th year of our marriage. I'll be starting our 8th anniversary actually. 7 years have passed by successfully. It has been running successfully and we had a great marriage by the way. And our bonding is developing every other day. I'll tell you why. Go and watch this song. There's a great song I'll tell you which was a song I don't remember. Kishore Kumar's song it was. And that is a great song I'll tell you. तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा तुमसे मिलके अरमा हुए पूरे दिल के I would like to bring my wife with that song actually. It's an amazing song. You can guys can help me out for that. You should do this song. It's a great song to watch. When you listen to this song, it has a team building component into it. Go and check it out. It has a team building component into it. Both of them are making their house beautiful. It has a team building component. And a husband-wife can only have a relationship existing apart from an official relationship if you are working together on the same goal. If your wife is working in HP and you are working in Infosys, you cannot have that bonding anymore. It can only happen if both of you are working on the same project at the same time, and that is Amway business. So I'll tell you about Geetika's few things. If I am successful today in this business, it is not because of me. It is Geetika. See, I have few strengths and she has few strengths. My strength is I am very excited about life, and her strength is she knows how to put the direction to it. That excitement without direction is dangerous. Do you know it? So I am a guy who is excited about anything in life. I am excited. And she is the person who can give me direction. So excitement with direction is what is Vijay and Geetika's combination. And same thing with you. Your spouse also has few strengths, and most of the time we try to remove those strengths and you want to make the world uniform. Let us have a rainbow world. It's a beautiful world. You don't try to do anything else. Geetika is a great person, and I'll tell you, whatever she talks, she's a person who talks things with full focus. She doesn't debate at all like me. I keep debating. She doesn't debate. She's focused. She'll have 10, 12 points to talk, and if you can digest those points, you are done. Help me welcome Geetika on stage.
I think every lady wants this, right? I am speechless actually. And there's a secret of men's success is women behind it. You know what is the secret of the women's success? You find him. So anyway, I'm a Geetika and myself dentist, and I'm from Indore. And one thing, I didn't come in the business with a big dream. I just came into the this Amway business is just about the cultures, values, and the love. And I'm from the Navy background, and we had a very I had very fantastic life. Always enjoyment. So I never had any regret of my schooling, college. I enjoyed all the parameter of my life, and that's how I think Amway business has come into in my life. I think everything is fulfilled. And first of all, I would like to thank you, Kashyap and Pranati, for giving us chance to be speaker at today's British stage, and I will not take it granted. And our topic is the follow up and follow through, and the people as a couple once come in your business, how we take it. See, first of all, we whenever we make it sign up with the 100 plus PV, and now PV has slightly increased, so we take it as a 11,000. And with 11,000, around 110, 120 PV has come. So my motto is, whenever any couple has joining, they should have a taste of the money from the business, because most of the time we heard from the people that Amway mein to paise nahi aate hain. Have you heard of it? Every time so many objections has come this time. When you cross with the people, so my duty is to make that person to the 300 PV, and once he has a taste of the money in the business, he can motivated for at least 1-2 months more ahead. And 120 PV and 110 PV he signed up. Then I make a list of the people, and of course making a list for the people is just near and nearby people, because for the first instance, it's very rarely happens that people are open with the A list. So you can call people with the B list, with neighbors, and we can do some health and beauty expo, which I normally do, and we invite people, and with the of course edification of me, and we do expos. So you can get back to the person who has who is your upline and who is growing. You can check how we do the expo. So with this expo, we can extend some PV more. So like this, doing some one-to-one demos, and with the B list, if he is open with the A list, it's fine, and you can go with some training materials. And whenever new person has joined, I always promote e-learning, because we have a mindset, whatever it is a professional setup, we always ready to open it. So if we tell them we have a e-learning certification, we have a set of 2-3 books, we have the set of 5 to 10 CDs. So when you show the people with the package of starting the business, it is very easy to do the 300 PV. Then second stage is in 2 to 3 months. In 2 to 3 months, some people take time also, make that couple as a 300 PV circle, and making a 300 PV circle, and initially, of course, for 3 to 6 to months, and we have to do the every part of that couple person. But if we become a 300 PV circle, and just imagine if you make one couple, and like this, if you have 30 couples, not 30 couples, 30 heads, if you are getting with the 300 PV, founder platinumship can be done. So that is the power of 300 PV. So that is, we can start off. And see, when join, 100% product use is very important, because we all people are in the open meeting. That means all people are the business owners, correct? So we should not give choices to the new people, because business owner doesn't make choices. He always does the things which other people likes. See, I was a fan of Dove, but when I came into the business, I'm a fan of the Saturday. That is a proof, and I will not be take the Dove how much I love it, because I know from the Saturday only I will get the money. And same thing I will tell to the other person, lady, that as a business owner, we should have not choices of anything. We have to use the product, because if I am not the 100% product user, just imagine if I have an organization of 2,000 to 4,000 people, what happened? If it is, take it as a glister also. So that is the power of making an organization and making ourselves as a 100% product use. And of course, for the initial person, CDs and the association with the Amway people. That is very important, because mostly we are associated with the non-Amway people. No, but in this business, if we want to be qualified, if we want to be, to be with the qualified people, that association is very important. And I check the person who is associating with me. That is also one parameter for me. The person has a now mindset or not. And CDs has a no excuse. Of course, CDs is the first everything. It is a fertilizer, water, everything for your seed. So CDs is very, very important. One CD per day. It is. It should not be any guaranteed. I like that. And I'll just take a few objections. When we do the expose, and like this type of the questions people get. Mostly you have heard of, means it's a 6-7 questions, that product are expensive. When business will come when I take the products, it happens because it looks high price products, and people ask how long I have to take, how many months I have to take, when it will get me the results. I will ask my doctor, I will ask my husband, I will ask my wife, and some people people will say it has any side effects. You get this type of questions, correct? It has a one answer only. And you have anything to resolve your fat? No, some people want fast results. Do you have something, within this month I want this much result, this much result? And my kids doesn't take any of the things. They are very taste towards the taste receptive. They tell how I will take the products. This is the thing. And I am taking enough cereals and pulses. I don't think I need protein. And I have heard that if I take protein more, it will affect my liver and kidney. This type of. Have you heard this type of the questions? Correct? See, whenever you are, first of all, the products are expensive. Expensive is a relative term. Everybody know. Mercedes is expensive as compared to the Alto. Correct? So when the person, anybody is asking, whenever some doubts comes, 3F, feel, felt, found. This is always use feel, felt, found. If you are talking to the B list of the people, feel, felt, and found. I was also thinking, product is high price. I also felt the same. But what I found, if I take the 2139 of 120 tablets, and if I divide by 120 by 2139 divided by 120, it comes hardly 15 to 16 rupees. And I think juice is more high price. So that way, per cost you can per cost you can tell to the people. Expense question with the question is always helps you. Expensive in what sense? Yesterday only I was talking to one guy. He was telling how much is the 120, how much is the 60. He was telling full detail in the money. So, well, what is your motto? Then I want my mother to be, high energy. Okay, fine. The 2139 and this 1100, 1259 something was 60 tablets. So I just asked him, you want her to be, for how long you want the products, any course you want, or anybody has recommended. I asked few questions, who has recommended you daily and all those things, because somebody with reference he has come to me. and asked me daily 120. Then I asked him, and he has taken the 120 tablet there, then and there only. And I just explained him this per tablet is how much, and it is a. You just give knowledge to the people. This is only the product which will give you the 13 vitamins, 11 minerals. Just imagine 13 vitamins, 11 minerals, where you will get. And like this, you can talk to the people and just ask why they are telling the expensive. This is very, very important. And for the questions when result will come, how long I have to take, and kids are fuzzy eaters. For this, the simple question answer is, see, what if I will ask to the doctor? See, doctor is for cure, it's not for prevention. And whatever I am giving you, I am as a nutritional advising, I am giving you that every day we need vitamins, minerals, fat, fiber, carbohydrate, and protein and phytonutrients. Just imagine with your food how much you will get it. And every day we are with this stress, pollution, radiations, smartphones, TV, fridge, everything will be there because they can't, away from all those things, and fertilizers. So there is always gap is there. How you will fill that gap? How you will control the pollution, all those things. So for this, I am here to filling the gap. So doctor is not for filling the gap. The doctor is for your cure. If you get the headache, doctor will give you the aspirin. But if you tell the doctor that next month I should not get headache, what he will give you the answer? Come when you get the headache. Correct? No, he will not give you the things which can be prevented for next month. So I am here for prevention. For all these questions, this really helps you. And last question is for kids. Sometime I do if very critical condition is there, then I give samples to the people for test. Otherwise, I always tell, and I appreciate the other mother, that you are an intelligent mom. You are the more tricky for your kids. See, we give antibiotics and something to our kids by our thing. So why don't you try with the good nutrition? It will really help you. Because if you go to the doctor, 300 is the consultation, and one cold cough fever is around 1,000 rupees. So 1,500 will go up, and again frequently things will come. So I just tell about the scenarios nowadays, because medicines are also not very low cost. So this is the thing. And for the protein, mostly people tell I am taking enough cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables. I don't think protein is important. Again, I tell the same thing. We need everyday vitamins, minerals, fat, fiber, carbohydrate, protein, and phytonutrient. It's very difficult to give the gap. So I'm here just giving you the feeling gap. It is not access. So this way, answering the questions with the questions. So it's really help you a lot. And with this I am and I have heard in Kumar CD, recently there's a powers. We have 3 powers. He had 2 more powers in that. We have powers of words, unity and submission, and he added mentorship and happiness and forgiveness is the power of in our business. So just do the business with mentorship and happiness. Give your heart to the people. World will be yours. Thank you.
Amazing. All of you have copy and pen. Copy and pen you have. I'm going to give you. I'll start with an exercise, and that exercise can blow your mind. Don't do any cheating, okay? The exercise I'm going to tell you, if you can understand this one exercise, you will become a sign-up champion in this business. You will sign up people like crazy. You talk to people, people are with you. You talk to people, people are with you. You talk to people, people are with you. 100 sign-ups in a month. How does it feel? Wow. Amazing, right?
Wow.
You open up the month, you talk, people are joining up. And you are in trouble, man. How do I submit the address proof? It's so hectic now. Isn't it a good problem to have? It will happen if you do this exercise right now. Don't cheat anything. Whatever I'm telling you, use it, word to word, understand it, what I'm telling you. Are you able to see what I've written here? Can you write down on a paper? Immediately, write down. Okay, what I have written is ZXP. Write down, fast. 2 minutes. I don't have much time. Just go ahead. Follow the exercise and follow my word. Those who are part of my team, they already know it. If you have not, listen it. ZXP is what the first word I have written. Write down. The second word is RZN. Is it visible to all of you? Till last, is it visible? Dikh raha hai? Nahi dikh raha? RZN. DGL. There's a gap in between. And after that is ZXB. XB. Write down, fast, jaldi. सबने लिख लिया? सबने लिख लिया? एक बार पेपर को अच्छे से देखो. See it thoroughly, देख लो. अच्छे से देख लिया? Try to remember it. See it thoroughly, try to remember it. And don't cheat with yourself. Okay? Shall I erase it? All of you written it? Okay, I am erasing now. Now your assignment is very simple. Turn the paper which you have written now. Turn the paper. Turn it. Don't see it at all. Don't see it at all. Now tell me what you have written. Don't try to fool me. Just read yourself and let me know. You have not told more than one correct word. If you have told one correct word also, I am okay, but you have not told it. Check it out. Now tell me what I have written. We have made you busy already. Tell me what I have written. So I'll tell you what are the purposes of this mental exercise. The mental exercise's purpose is anything you see for the first time, people don't remember. And that's what you're facing the challenge. You're trying to sign up people, you're trying to explain so much of jargon, he don't understand anything. He don't understand anything. Whatever it takes for the first time, see I'll tell you, human brain digestive power is only 5%. Whatever you tell, he cannot remember. It's my guarantee. He's from IIM, he's from Harvard, he's from wherever, he cannot remember. Because he's a human brain end of the day, right? What I'm trying to help you out is this. Now I'll explain one fruit. It's an amazing fruit. How many of you heard this fruit, pomelo? Pomelo. Have you heard? If you have not heard, you will enjoy this exercise. Have you heard this pomelo? No? Now I'll explain you pomelo in two different terms. Okay? One of them is scientific term which you're trying to do when you're showing a plan. And one of them I'll tell you in different, and tell me which you remember. Okay, so I'll explain you pomelo in 3 to 4 different points. Pomelo is a citrus fruit. Okay, it's a citrus fruit with a thick rind, yellow to reddish in color, sour in taste. I told it. You read it? समझ में आया? Now I'm again erasing it. Tell me what is pomelo.
Yellow.
You cannot explain it. You cannot explain it. It's impossible. I understand human brain very well. Now I'll explain you pomelo in one more way. And you will understand it before you die also. Trust me. It will stick into your head before you die. Till you die, you will remember this. You will never forget pomelo from now on. Now I'm explaining you pomelo like this. Pomelo is an oversized grape. What is the first picture came into your head? Grape. Oversized grape. Now, are you able to zoom that grape? Yes, you did it. Yes, be honest, man, you did it. Oversized grape. Color is little more than red, little reddish in color. The taste is little bit better than grape. Are you able to relate everything with grape now? Now if I ask you what is pomelo, tell me. No brainer. What I want to say is this. Whenever you are explaining to your prospect the plan, understand he is a human being. Don't try to do kusti with him. Because you have listened 100 CDs, so you are like big fan of it. This gentleman has come by coding a Java. He cannot understand anything. He is thinking everything in terms of Java. So if you have to explain Amway to him, what do you need to do? Amway is an oversized Java. Trust me, I am telling you. You try to do anything beyond that, this guy cannot digest even one piece of information. I'll tell you why I'm telling you this. Your goal is simple. When this gentleman goes to my house, he should remember Amway till the last point of his life. He should not forget Amway. That is my goal. Whenever somebody meets me about Amway, he should remember forever that Amway was only 3 things. Use the product, create a network, and make the network use the product. That's it. No rocket science. My plan, if you see, is only a 4-line. After reading this book, this is one of the book I will not recommend you right now. It's not a Brit Emerald, it's my personal book. I read it, and after I implemented, my plan became a 4-line only. 4-line plan. I don't do anything beyond that. Only 4 lines. So I know he cannot understand anything. What is the point in talking? My plan always revolves around the company which he works in. If he works in GE, my plan is all about GE. What do GE do? GE do this. How do GE make money? Why am I asking this? Because he knows GE already. If I just replace by the end GE with Amway, do you think he can remember everything? Yes, he will. He will remember. After sign up is so easy. How many of you understood it? What did you understood? What did you understood? Relate with people. Sign up is not about taking a gun and shooting him. Sign up is not about forcing him to do 100 PV. Sign up is very simple. Understand where he comes from and explain the plan in his perspective. That is sign up. It took me 1 year to understand this simple thing. Previously, I was assuming that he understands like me. You know what is the biggest challenge of communication? The biggest challenge of communication is the assumption that communication has happened. The biggest challenge of communication is the assumption that communication has happened. If you're married, have you felt it last week? If you're married, have you felt it last week that you wanted to communicate something to your wife and your wife somehow did not understood it? You tried again and still she did not understood it. Then two things happened. Either you stopped talking for 1 hour, or she tried to prove you are wrong, or you tried to prove he is wrong. Actually, nobody was wrong. The problem was you didn't understood Pomelo. If you can understand Pomelo from today, you can do anything in life. Life is all about Pomelo. Trust me. This is what is Amway. It is so simple now. Can you understand this? How many of you remember Pomelo now? See, now even if I talk 1 hour and still I ask you Pomelo, you'll remember why? Because you know grapes from childhood. Now what has it got to do with follow-up? Simple. Therefore, challenge which is coming is you are not able to understand the prospect. What do you think? A prospect do not want to make money? Tell me this. Don't you think you want to make money? You want to make money, right? Tell me this. Why in this world would you fix an appointment and come to your place and see the plan? Is he foolish? Do you think he enjoys waking up early morning and coming to by taking a bus and coming to your home to see a plan? Do you think he's foolish? He's not. He's not foolish at all. He wants to make money. But what has happened, because of your lack of communication skill, you are not able to give him the right message. You told Amway from Rich DeVos angle, you told Amway from Bill Gates angle, you told Amway from Kumar's angle, but you forgot to tell Amway from the prospects angle. Understand what I'm saying? So always remember, follow-up is very simple. Plan has happened, only ask him few questions. Tell me this. Say, simple. First thing, I'm telling you two different scenarios. In one scenario, you are showing the plan directly, or else board plan has happened, you are sitting with him to. Board plan has happened. Let's take an example from board plan. Some upline has shown the plan in board and now you're sitting with him, follow up. Let us understand Pomelo right now. What you need to do. First thing, sit with him and understand. Is there somewhere I can help you? Do you find something good for yourself? Can I help you somewhere? Can you ask a simple question? Don't ask any doubts you have. Doubts is a negative word. Don't ask doubts. Because if he doesn't have doubts, you start thinking, I should have some doubts. If he doesn't have doubts, straight away start with 12,000. What's the big deal? Let's go to ATM, 12,000, that's all. Don't expect negative. Don't expect negative at all. Don't ask him doubts. Tell him, can I help you somewhere? Just like you go to airport. Can I help you, sir? You ask him, can I help you somewhere? He'll sit with you. Then tell him. Do you think something? So you'll obviously have some questions. Write down those questions. Very simple. Step by step algorithm. Write down all the questions. What I told you to do? What I told?
Write down.
I don't say answer. What I told? I don't want you to write down. Did I told you to answer? What people do mostly when you are a new person, you make it a tennis ball match. Even the prospect is confused what is happening. Because you didn't understand Pomelo. The whole problem was Pomelo actually. The whole problem in the world is because of one product which is known as Pomelo. Any problem in life existing, know this, okay? So ask him question, let it write down. And then you ask him simple question. Is this all or something else you want to know from my side? Can you ask this simple? I only want one thing. Before I answer a question, my question answering fees is 12,000 rupees. That's the consultation fees I take from prospect. If I answer a question, you have to pay me 12,000 rupees. So better tell me what are the other questions you have. If you have any question, 12,000 is what I want after that. So what I mean to say is very simple. I ask, is there anything else beyond you want from my side? He'll say, no, this. Okay, so let me understand this. If I answer these questions, what I'm understanding is we can work together. Is it what I mean? Is it what I understand? Did you note it down what I said? What did I say? See, my whole goal is you should understand what I'm telling you. You should not forget it. You should not bug your upline anymore that I don't know follow-up. My whole goal is from tomorrow you start signing up. Your ATM should be filled with 30,000-40,000 every day. That's what I want. What did I told right now? Summarize me. New person. What did I told, sir? Right now. What did I told? Anybody, any volunteer, what did I told right now? Say, I'm going to ask questions, so better be prepared, alert. My whole goal is to digest this information, whatever I can talk, I want you to digest it thoroughly in life. What did I told right now? First, become like an air hostess. Is there anything where I can help you out? First thing, then sit with him, and once you sit down, let him write down all the questions, whatever I asked. And before you answer any question, that's a commitment from me. Bikram Betal dekha hai kisi ne bachpan mein? What is the goal of Betal? To ask him some question and the moment he speak, he runs away. So what are you, Vikram? Your first question is you should ask him first, Baba, kuch aur question hai kya tumhara? Is there anything else you want to know from my side? He says no. Then understand. Once he says no, ask him only one question. What I understand by this is, if I am able to give you this basic answers, what I am understanding is we are going to work together. I want a commitment first before answer. It's not something I'm going to waste my time 1 hour, 2 hours. So if he genuinely has some question, he'll say, yeah, why not? If he doesn't have, he has something else in his mind, he'll ask you, no, it depends. Okay, then what does it depend? Let me understand. What else is there? See, what I want to understand is there something which is stopping you? First. Then some questions will come. So my first thing before I answer, I always ask, Is that all? If I answer this, he first has to tell me a commitment, yes, I'll work with you if I can get answer to this. Then only I open up my mouth. Before that, I will not. Fair deal? Fair enough deal? Okay. This is the first thing you should do. Once you do this, now, let's say you're doing this part. So then ask him one simple question. Let me help you to understand, and always go word by word as it works. My goal is right now is not to enroll you at all. First, relieve him of stress. He's already in stress condition. My goal is not to enroll you. My goal is simple, to identify, is our frequency matching somewhere? Can we work together for some time? If your frequency match, and if you can get some value addition, then we will work together. So keeping this in mind, would you mind if I ask you a couple of questions? Take permission first. Is it going beyond head? Are you on the same page? Can you repeat what I said? What I said? Fast.
My goal is not to raise friends.
Fast. नहीं दे जोर से. Then my goal is not to enroll. Then. Correct. See, my simple concept is, Papa, my goal is to understand, can we find some value addition in common? My goal is not to enroll you. My goal is to understand, is this business right for you? Once you clear this, then understand, keeping this in mind, if I ask you a couple of questions, would you mind? First, take permission. Do you remember college days ragging? Without asking, if you answer, what do they do? Senior do. Slap you. Same thing. So first, ask permission. This is known as humbleness, to ask question to prospect. Papa, give me permission to ask you question. If you permit, then only I can ask question. Isn't it true? Simple. Remember your college ragging days, you will find it. If you have not gone ragging, you missed a great excitement part of your life. College ragging was the best thing to learn actually. The best MBA business is best for those people who have been ragged thoroughly in college. And I was one of them. I was one of them who was ragged every day. So I understood how to escape from all this trap. If you have not been ragged, then prospect will rag you for 1 year. You cannot escape life, right? Life will hit you somewhere. Either prospect will make you realize it. Okay? So are we on the same page? So what have we understood till now? First, write down all the question. The goal was to write down, not to answer. Write down and understand, is this all? If I can help you to understand this, can we work together? Take a commitment first. Once the commitment has come, then go there, then do one thing. Tell him, Baba, my goal is not to enroll you, my goal is to understand you first. If we get aligned somewhere in common, then only will work, otherwise it will not work. So I want to understand, is our interest matching? So keeping this in mind, I would like to ask you a couple of questions, would you mind? Then you will say, yeah, why not? Okay. My first question to you is this. Already I see you are stressed out in your life. And you are the first person who saw it. Till now his wife did not saw it, that he is stressed out. Till now his boss did not saw it, he saw it, I'm already stressed out of life. Mein. I do not understand why in this world do you want to take extra pain along with the job. Why do you want to do something? Ask him, simple. Then he'll tell you some reason. Write down. Okay, he'll say, I want this, his job is not enough, whatever, write it down. See, my goal is to understand him thoroughly, why he wants something at the first place. My goal is not to enroll him. What do I get out of enrolling him? Man, I want a great person to work with so that I can enjoy the business. That's my goal. My goal is not to bring somebody, force him. That is not my goal at all. This is not at all my goal. So be clear about it. Don't be desperate. There are enough people in Bangalore, and I'll end you with a great story. But that will give you a fair enough idea how to sign up people. So once you do this, then he will tell you certain dreams. I want this, write it down. And then always remember, do you have a verification in your companies? Verification check you do? What is the purpose of that?
Authenticity.
Do you think engineers are intensely doing some bug? Do you think engineers intensely put some bug? Then why is the verification team required in the company? Why is the verification team required in the company? Tell me. Human beings do mistake, right? That's why they require. It's not the intensity they're doing. So when he has said his dream, don't you think you also should have a verification team in your group? You should also verify his dream. Whatever he's telling, is it genuine dream or wish? See, there's a difference between wish and a dream. There's a huge difference. And most of the time, when you're not able to sign up people, you are in a hurry. You just say, "Haan, ye kuch to pata hai, usko ghar chahiye, theek hai, le lo, ghar chahiye." No, he doesn't want a house. If a boy is telling he wants a house, he's lying. I don't believe it. Exceptional cases are different. Boys, none of the boys have this interest. This is, if a woman says, I want a house, I want this for, I can understand. But a boy telling it, you are trying to become good in front of me. No, tell me something else. What do you want? Actually, what do you want? So I cannot talk. This obviously understand what is wish and dream. Write down. So he say, I want this. Now, once he wrote, what I need to do? Verify whether it is a dream or a wish. How do I verify? Very simple. Just ask one more question. Let's say I just do like this exactly. He write down this dream 1, 2, 3, 4. I write. Then I say, if you don't get this, is there any problem? They'll say no problem. Then what is it? The verification failed. Verification failed at the first step itself. That is not a dream. If this would be a dream, now problem is coming with you is, you assume this is a wish, his dream, and then you say, man, sir, wo sign up nahi ho raha, main koshish kiya, आधा घंटा try kiya, why are you trying and wasting your time? Let him go, Baba. He doesn't have a dream. Let him be there in job, nothing to worry. Your company requires some employees also. It's okay with us, no problem, nothing wrong with that. But this guy do not have a dream to become an entrepreneur. Why do you want to make him an entrepreneur? He doesn't want to do anyways. Problem with you is initially you are desperate. You are thinking, मेरे को लोग कहाँ से मिलेंगे? Man, tell me one thing. With all due respect to religion and all, how many of you have seen God? Nobody has seen it. Bin Laden was able to inspire people for a product which is not existing, which is not visible at least, which is not visible at all. Who has seen God? Nobody. He was able to sell this idea to people that God is there and God wants you to kill people, and he killed a tower. Diamonds are available. My asset is visible. My dish drop is visible. Platinums are visible. How difficult to sell this concept to him? Did you got some idea? If Bin Laden can influence people to die, which is not visible, I mean, there might be God, but it's not visible. He's able to sell that product. And you cannot sell asset, dish drop, platinums, diamonds, you cannot sell them. They are visible, man. You can go and handshake with Kashyap, he's there. Is it difficult after that? Once you understand these dynamics, you can understand. Skill he had. The only thing is he utilized the skill for wrong purpose. Skills are there. Influencing is a skill. If you have it, you are the next guy. Tell me which wife would want her husband to die? Nobody will want, right? Subhash Chandra Bose can ask to people, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." Openly and bluntly, how can he ask this? He asked. What I am trying to say is there are people for everything. You do anything in life, people are there for you. Why are you desperate? Or don't you think you can find out 30, 40 people who want to become rich? Which is easy dream? To die for country is easy, or becoming rich is easy? Man, come on, I can say this word very easily. That's the day I understood this mindset. I realized that it's a very easy business. Only have to understand the mindset of the people. If Osama bin Laden can influence people to die, if Subhash Chandra Bose can influence people to go and give blood for a country, I can inspire people to become rich. What's the big deal? Can you do it? First, understand this mindset thoroughly in your brain. Then only you can understand. Don't become at the mercy, please sign up. What is this? Come on, wake up. This is not our goal. You don't sign up at all. You be poor. This is the attitude first you develop, then only sign-ups will happen. As long as you are behaving like a beggar, please sign up. Nobody in this world will sign up with you. Nobody. Become a man and understand these basic principles. So sign up principle number one, which I am trying to help you out, is understand the question. Write down the question. Once you write down the question, then understand before answering. Ask him a commitment. That if I answer this question, can we work together? If he gives some commitment, then take it further. Is it clear till here? Yes. Once you do this, then understand. Ask him, why do you want to do? Once he says this, and you verified and the verification failed, then don't just come to conclusion. Actually, most of the time, people do not know their dream also. Even I was one of them. Initially, when I joined, I did not know what is my dream. So if my mentor would not have extracted it properly, probably I would have been doing job till now. I would not have the luxury today to come out of job. I thank my mentor for that he was able to do this follow-up with me thoroughly. Initially, I was also not aware of my dream. I was not a dreamer actually. How can you have a dream, man? A guy having a bicycle can only dream maximum Honda Activa. Trust me, you cannot dream of Ferrari at all. It's not possible. Because you will dream something 20% more than existing income. And my income based on that, I was dreaming I-10 maximum. That's all. That too after 10 years. So I don't have a dream at that time. But yes, there was a dream within me and my mentor brought it out. And I thank him for that he was able to bring it out from me so that I got committed to this business. How he got extracted, I'll tell you very simple. I'll explain this like now. Go to MG Road and there's a burger, amazing burger, there's cheese onto it, there's sauce onto it, and there are french fries, there is a drink around and you start drinking. Right now, what are you visualizing? Did some hunger came into you? Little bit hunger aaya? What it means is this, if he is not able to tell his dream, can you talk about your dream? Automatically his dream symptoms will get arise automatically. Human beings have a dream. But the only thing is because of circumstances, either it has hidden in their body 30 feet below or it is somewhere else based on the circumstances. Dream they have. Trust me, human beings have a dream. It's not that they don't have. Circumstances had killed their dream. People have made them believe from childhood that you are meant to be poor. You cannot be another Ambani. Have you heard this in your life? Your parents told you, you are next, not you are not the next Ambani. Have you heard? And how did they knew? Ambani was, before 25, he was just a petrol pump filler, right? Then how did he knew he can become Ambani? Problem is this, your circumstances have made you believe that you are not the next Ambani. I am telling you, you are the next Ambani. You are. Who stops you? You are just a young guy, man. But this is the challenge. People have forgotten their dream. So what you do, they don't know their dream immediately. You talk about your dream. Once you start talking about your dream, they can start realizing, okay, I also have these dreams. Then again do what? Verification. Verification has to happen at every level. That's why verification team is in billions. The designers are always less in number and verification engineers are always more in number. You know why? Because they know bugs can happen. So again he stores some dream, again verify. Is it true? Because what will happen if you don't do it thoroughly? The moment you tell him, let us go to ATM and bring 12,000. The whole problem got vanished. This is the challenge you're facing. Is it clear? How many of you understood it? Tell me genuinely. How many of you understood it? Can you apply it? Summarize me in 3-4 lines. One person at least. Tell me, sir, what is the summary?
First, understand whether he's having a wish or a dream
How?
by asking the question.
What questions?
So you have to ask like how serious is how serious is.
Do you think he will know it? See, that's a, I'm telling you again, I'm asking this question, which is the most toughest part to how to extract dream of people. If you ask directly, I'm just helping you out again. If you ask directly to people, they cannot. I'll ask you simple. If somebody asks you what food you want, can you tell it right away? Most people cannot tell. If I give 4 options, there is a burger, there is French fries, there is this. Which is easy to select? क्या खाओगे? ये easy answer है कि 4 options are easy. Which is easy to answer? Correct. So what is happening here right now? You're asking what is your dream. He himself doesn't know what is his dream. Dream? What? What is it? Which technology you're talking about? They don't know actually. So problem is you're asking directly dream, which they also don't understand what is dream. See, dream is only for movies. When they see Swades, they think only it is for movie. They have forgotten that movies are outcome of a dream of somebody. So that is the dream. So this is the challenge you're facing. So what is the best way to ask a dream then? Somebody else.
Close.
He did a great job. You can give a big round of applause for him. Understood at least. Anybody else? Next volunteer. Tell me how to extract dream of people. Sir, can you try and help me out?
Yeah, maybe by talking about my own dreams and trying to prompt him to come out with his.
Correct. So what is the best way to do it? What is the best way to do it?
Example.
Talk about your dreams. Now question is, do you have a dream? First question to me, do you have a dream? If you do not have a dream, take my help again. Ask yourself again the same question and scratch. You do your own verification. That is my dream. If this is not your dream, you cannot extract the dream of others. What you don't have, you cannot give. If I am not happy, I cannot transfer happiness to the world. The first thing, do you have a dream? If you don't have, please extract it. Do it. You have, I'm telling you, I promise you, you are not meant to be the next employee. You are that person who is meant to be an entrepreneur and to change the society. Trust me. Do you believe it?
Yes.
You are not meant to be just a job. Impossible. Your potential is not for job. Your potential job is using only 1%. 99% of your potential is just in your pocket. Please take it out. Don't die with that potential with you. Trust me. You are not meant to be employed. First thing. So do that. Once you do it thoroughly, the dreams are out. Then tell me, is it easy now to sign up? Then what I need to do? I tell him genuinely. Tell me this. So now what we have covered till now, dream has come out. Once the dream is out, then I tell him, suppose this. Do you right now have any options? This is another problem you will face. Now what have we covered till now? First, understand his questions. After questions, take a commitment that if I answer this question, I am expecting you to work with me. If he doesn't say yes, what do you do? What do you do?
In addition to this.
In addition to, is there something else? First, get the clear that these questions are there. I don't want to again get into question answer mode. Sir, I have another doubt. Tell me whatever it is in the beginning itself. In the end, I don't want. This is a contract paper, sign him up. Once he says these are my doubts, then take him. If I answer this doubt, I'm expecting you to work with me. Will you? If he says yes, if he's honest, he'll say yeah, why not? Perfect. Then this task taken care. I'll not come to this file again. This is a clean file. Save it. Go to next file. The next file is simple. What is his dream? He will not know his dream directly, so you tell is your dream, he will tell. Once this is clear, then comes the next step. What is the next step? How to get it. Then you ask how to get it. Now what was happening initially, I tell you, most of people are struggling. My team also I train a lot of people. Challenge is coming. You took his wish as a granted and tell him how to get this wish. He also doesn't know that he also not committed. Challenge is this, can you go just one layer further and ask him why do you need this? This will be clear. Once this is there, then ask him, how will you get this dream of yours? You don't force him. If he knows the way, trust me, yeah, have a transparent relationship. If he already knows he can get it by Java, please go ahead. What's the problem? I'm okay with that. He's not the right person for me. If a company has an opening for Java and somebody is coming up .NET, what do they do? No problem. Next. You also have the courage to understand it. Now, why do you want to enroll everybody into Amway? Everybody is not meant for Amway. Then this, once you verify this, how to get it? If he doesn't have an answer to it, most of the time you'll see they don't have an answer to it. Trust me. Some people say I can do it by real estate. Again, go to the next level. Okay, so will it solve it? Well, yes. Then what should I do now?
Verify.
How?
How much money you have?
Does he have the source?
Simple. Then I'll ask you, why have you not done it till now? Simple, na? Ask him. Then again, see, this can be reason to sign up. Understand, step by step. Don't be in a hurry. Why are you in a hurry to sign up people? Ask him. Okay, if not this, tell me this. Why are you not doing it? Then he'll say, I'm having financial problem. Huh? Financial problem? Real estate financial problem itself? Okay, how much finance will help you to do this? Again, ask him, see, I am still now going in the layer by layer to understand his need itself thoroughly. That is what is the Amway plan to understand. Then he said, okay, I can get it by this much amount of money. Okay, how will you get this money? Finally, now this is the real dream. Got the idea? Or went over the head? Is it clear? How many of you are confident? Tell me honestly. Now, if you are confident, this training is more than enough. Beyond this, if I go today, you will sleep now. So I am not going to go anything beyond. This is more than enough information for you to understand and digest. Whatever I am telling you today, trust me, it is no manipulation, it is nothing. It is a simple thing to understand two people's mindset, to see whether this guy has some interest which my interest match. That is the whole goal. My goal is nothing to sign him up. I am not a desperate guy at all. But I know there are enough people I can influence to become rich. If Bin Laden can influence to die, if Subhash Chandra can influence people to give blood, I can influence people to do 100 people. What's the big deal? I can do that. It's no big deal. It's no brainer involved. Just to understand basics. But to do all this thing, yes, some skills are also required, because most of the time what happens, engineers do not have this skill set. So for those skill sets, I will recommend you 4 to 5 books. Most of the books are all Brit recommended, so it is not my recommendation. First thing what is happening, I'll tell you. If you read this one book, I can tell you, your 99% problem of life is solved anyways. You have programmed yourself in a negative way. You have programmed yourself believing that you are not meant to be successful. You have programmed yourself believing I am a housewife. You have programmed yourself believing I am a Java engineer. You are not a Java engineer, you are a human being. Read this book. Tell me honestly, from a childhood, have somebody told you cannot do something in life? Now those things had been programmed in the brain from last 40 years, 30 years, 25 years, whatever the age today. You cannot erase it overnight. Read this book, it is talking about how your brain got programmed. This scientist, he was spent 25 years of R&D to come to this conclusion to give you this. This is a one book, first book. This is the first book you should read. If you have joined Amway, even if you are not in Amway, read this, you can become an entrepreneur. Trust me, it has nothing to do with Amway. It is a book about understanding who you are. Once you read this, obviously you start working and your brain has been programmed that success. In childhood, people had been always put you down when you are failure. So we have taken failure as a bad thing, but actual life is all about failing. This is one book which I recommend you should read. Failing. Life is all about failing. In your life, if you fail 1,000 times, you will be an entrepreneur. Problem is this, we don't want to fail 1,000 times. This is what the book is all about. Read it. So that you understand failure is the best thing, not a worst thing. Failure is required in life. Once you do this, then you will definitely require communication skill. For communication skill, this was Book of the Month program book came last year. If you are not part of Book of the Month, you should definitely enroll yourself in Book of the Month. This is a book talking about everybody communicate, few connect. It is about connection, nothing. If you see by now, none of these books are written by Amway people. They are all some general book which you require anyway to succeed in life. Read this to learn how to connect. Once you do this, then there are persuasion is required in life. This is Psychology of Persuasion by Kevin Hogan, an amazing book. You should definitely read it. It is available in Brit Counter. You should definitely buy it and read it. By the way, entire book combination, it will not be more than 1,000 rupees. The best investment of your life. Once you read this too, then these are basically about understanding what is sales. I would not recommend hardcore about this because we are not in a sales business, we are into literacy business. But yes, basic sales is required to understand for sure that what are human beings all about. These 2 books, I bet you, you bring a stamp paper and I sign it up. If you can read this book and after reading you can sow 300 plants in a matter of a year, if you are not in platinum qualification, let me know. It's my challenge. Bring a stamp paper in front of me, I'll sign it up. You read this book first, thoroughly pass the exam, I'll take the exam personally that you know it. And then you sow 300 plan. If you are not in platinum qualification, I give you money. It's my guarantee to you. What more success guarantee you want? I give you guarantee. Engineers mostly want guarantee, right? If I work hard, will I guarantee to get result? I am guaranteeing you today. Nobody will guarantee you. I guarantee you. I believe in it. I have done it myself. I don't come from sales background. I come from my engineering background. See my degree is IIT Madras, MTech, VLSI. Not I am Bangalore or I am Ahmedabad marketing guy. Engineer. But what do you do? Read this book. So is it good guarantee for you? Yes. So today please don't worry about, don't stop yourself. Oh यार काम करूँगा result नहीं आएगा तो result आएगा 1 साल का guarantee दे रहा हूँ मैं. I am giving you 1 year guarantee, 300 plans in 1 year after completing this book and pass the exam which I will conduct personally. My guarantee to you. Is it good? 1 साल में 50,000 कमाना चाहते हो? Yes. Will you do this? Yes. That's all it is. And once you make it, I would like to have some royalty from you. So all of you are not part of my team. I'll negotiate with Kashyap for that. Guys, do it. I'm telling you, it's the best phase of the business. And 9% leadership is around the corner. Last 3 days are left. And understand this business is awesome. It is the best business of the world. Can you have a sense of pride for it? Don't go with this hidden feeling, sir, Amway kar raha hu, sign up ho ja. Don't go like this. Go like a tiger. Like, come on, Amway mein hu, kuch karna hai kya? Have this. Don't be fearful about life. Be confident. That's all is Amway all about. I'm bringing back the host.